The Mosaic of Unity. In the workplace's vibrant stage, a diverse cast assembles, each thread a unique hue in the fabric that resembles. Mosaic of cultures, perspectives, and dreams, a symphony of voices that harmonize and beam. The power of inclusion, a force that's divine, unites the disparate threads in a bond that's strong and fine. A sense of belonging that's fostered with care empowers each individual to contribute and share. In this inclusive space, creativity blooms and thrives. Innovations spark that ignites and survives. The diverse perspectives, a treasure to behold, a wealth of ideas that never grows old. The workplace's heartbeat, a rhythm that's bold, pulsates with empathy and a story to be told, of individuals united in a common quest to create, to innovate, and to manifest the best. The Mosaic of Unity, a masterpiece fine, reflects the beauty of diversity in every line. A kaleidoscope of cultures that blend and merge, a symphony of voices that harmonize and emerge. In this diverse and inclusive space, we find our strength, a collective power that propels us to greater length, a sense of purpose that guides us on our way to create a workplace where everyone can thrive and stay. The importance of inclusion, a lesson we must learn to foster a culture where everyone can learn, to contribute, to innovate, and to grow in a workplace that's diverse and inclusive and aglow. In the Mosaic of Unity, we find our common ground, a shared humanity that transcends our differences unbound, a sense of belonging that we all can share in a workplace that's diverse and inclusive and fair.